pollution. This body of water is called the Tagus River. I don't recommend swimming in it. Please do not swim in it. And this is Commerce Square. The Portuguese name is Praça de Comércio. Please excuse the wind. Something else that I noticed so far is that I heard about 5 different languages, so that's pretty interesting. Yes, they got birds and limes here. They took them away from us in a room here. All right, let's hurry up and get across the street so we can get to this main course. So we recorded this on a Monday afternoon, so it's not quite as busy as it could have been, which is good for us, I guess. So this square was completed in 1873. It was started after the 1755 earthquake. And of course, the man on top of the horse is King Jose I. Looking at this, it kind of reminds me of the statues in Rome, but it seems like Rome has about 100 of these. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.